Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the Lemon Verbena Seeds in Heartopia. So Heartopia now has a brand new event called Modular Street, and in this event, there is a special limited plant that called Lemon Verbena like this. And to get it, it's very easy. First, just go meet the NPC Blanc, this NPC, and then next just talk to him, and then just tap on Gardening Store, and then in here you will automatically see the Lemon Verbena Seed pack. This one, and then next just tap on it, and then in here just adjust the amount, and then after that just tap on purchase, and it's back. It's only cost 10 coins, so I think it's really cheap and easy to stock up on. And after you adjust the amount that you want to buy, just tap on purchase, and just like that, after buying the seed, you can just plant them on your garden and just start growing your own lemon verbena during this event. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you!